Deaf awareness training. Before closing and heading to our next topic, let's discuss one more thing that is also closely connected with BSL, and that is deaf awareness training. Deaf awareness training is solely aimed at staff training for various organizations in the UK. Depending on the requirements of your organization, Lead Academy will arrange live Zoom/Skype classes or physical classes. But given the pandemic situation, the prior will be convenient both for your organization and Lead Academy. The deaf awareness training is 3 hours duration, half day, or 6 hours duration, full day. It depends on your organization, however complete courses can be delivered within 3 hours. If you have one-to-one Q&A sessions, then 6 hours will be suitable. Deaf awareness training isn't strictly a language program. It aims to improve the productivity of deaf staff by helping them be integrated and included fully within your workforce. Your staff will also be better trained to provide service to deaf or hard of hearing customers. You'll also learn how to deploy more deaf-friendly services, which is a largely untapped market at the moment. It's estimated that by 2031, there will be 14.5 million people with hearing loss in the UK alone. If you want your organization to dive in deeper, we also have a solid progression route built for your whole staff. Please note that if your business needs its staff trained on deaf awareness training or any specific skill, you can directly contact Lead Academy and inform them of your particular needs. They can easily arrange a convenient setting for you. Now let's get into our next topic. How long does it take to learn BSL?